Welcome to Onshape, where we're going to use the circular pattern tool in 3D mode. So here in our toolbar, we've got our pattern tools, linear, circular, curve. It probably defaults to this linear one, and you're going to have to change that little drop down to the circular pattern. So I've got this shape I created and did a little remove, kind of like a slot shape, revolved, just to create a little edge detail. And I'm going to select that. So again, I mentioned this in the other video where I was going over linear and pattern, but when you pull up these pattern menus and you're in 3D mode, it's really easy to overlook this top choice where it says part pattern. I'm actually not trying to pattern a whole part to have a bunch of parts. I'm trying to pattern a feature on a part. So I need to change that to feature pattern, and that can be really aggravating if you miss that. You're thinking, why in the world won't it let me select what I'm trying to select? So now that I've got it on the feature pattern, I'm going to come in here and choose this, which it tells me the name was Revolve 2. You can always rename your features over here, which can be helpful. And now it asks for the axis of pattern. I'm going to click on that. And generally, your axis that you're going to spin around is defined by circles or cylindrical features or conical features. And so if you can grab a circle, cylindrical, and picture the axis that runs through it. Let's see, is that going to work? Okay. Should have worked with both. Yep, you notice it's there. So it defaulted to 4 instances right here. I'm going to make that quite a bit more so that we can see a bunch of them spinning around. And there you go. So you guys have the ability to change the number of instances. You also can change the number of degrees that that's going to spin around. So if you want to go only halfway, make that 180. Let's say you want to go 3/4 the way, we'll go 270. You get the idea. So equal spacings checked, that's usually, for me, I guess, how I'm using it. And I'm going to go ahead and hit this green check to accept it. There you go. So that is just a brief introduction to using the circular pattern to pattern a feature on a part.